My name is Parul. My daughter's name is Myra. She has joined the school around 1 year back. And since she has joined the school, as a parent, I am totally free mentally and physically because I have no tension. She's been taken care of very well. The way she has grown personally and emotionally and mentally is, I am totally speechless about it because, the development that I have seen from the beginning till now, she has started speaking faster. She has started learning faster. She eats by herself, she walks by herself, she can talk lot of words which lot of people of her age do not. So in as an overall experience with the Mulberry Bush, I'm very happy and I do not see any reason why somebody should not enroll their child here, and I wish to continue my child till Mulberry has facilities. The greatness is that the teachers, the facilities are very skilled. There is the IMAs, the Didis, the owner, everybody is very personally involved, and they take very personal care of my child. Whether when it comes to training, to eating, to sleeping, and in every aspect, they are taken care of very well. So before my daughter joined the school, she was very dull. She used to not speak much. She used to not interact much. She used to just be by herself. Now she's become very social after she joined the Mulberry Bush. She has become very social. She has started talking a lot. She's become very smart because now she can eat by herself. She takes a bath by herself. She cleans by herself. She wants to do everything by herself basically. So as a mother, I'm very happy because today I can see my daughter is becoming very smart. She's becoming an outstanding child. So when she goes into a school when she grows older, she will be the smartest in the school. So Mulberry Bush is training them to be the smartest and the brightest. The difference that I see between my own relatives' children to my child is that those children are very dull even now, and they are all of the same age. So, and the activities, the skills that my daughter has is way far than the other children. So she's way smarter for her age, plus she's being groomed in that way that she's getting all these development skills for my compared to other children. So I work upstairs only, and that is one more advantage, that the branches are located in such places where it is very easy for parents to keep an eye also, and teachers are always available to contact us for any help or any information. Her father is also very happy with the development. As he can see, she's become a very social person. She can gel with everybody in any circle, in any group, any age. So overall, he's very happy. My daughter plays very well here. She's able to put blocks in the right order. She's able to sing. She's able to dance on rhymes. And overall, she's been doing every activity, which I never expected her to do at this age. So I'm very happy as a parent that my daughter is studying in the Mulberry Bush, and I wish to continue her for as long as Mulberry Bush can hold my child till whatever standard. So thank you.